Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige. Today I'm going to be filming a relaxing rainy day clean with me. Now, I'm calling it relaxing, but I don't think there's anything about cleaning that is relaxing. If y'all have seen any of my cleaning videos before, then you know how I feel about cleaning. It's, you know, I think it's got to be done. Do I enjoy doing it? Absolutely not. But it's got to be done, so here we are. I'm gonna be getting this done for y'all today. It's gonna be kind of like the style that I used to do of like after dark clean with me's, which is just me cleaning at night. Everybody's asleep, I'm up cleaning. That's gonna be the vibe of today's video, so there won't be any like upbeat music or anything. Pretty mellow and chill. So if this is what you've been looking for here on my channel, I'm bringing it for you today. Millie just went down for her nap, so hopefully we get about 2 hours solid of cleaning done. That would be absolutely fantastic because the house is, it's not a wreck, but it's not very clean either. So let's go ahead and get started.
Inseparable, we were closer than two of a kind. The bond was almost palpable, solemn oaths with our blood that were signed. But in time both led by life to our own. Two paths led in parallel before winding off into the unknown. Yes,
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free. Be free. Be free with me.
Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh I'm sure everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are.
Okay, so I know you can hear the washing machine in the background, but this is a cleaning video, so it is what it is. So I am done doing all of the tidying, cleaning up that I'm going to be doing. It is almost 11 o'clock, which means Mila almost slept 2 hours, so I'm sure she's going to sleep 2 hours. I just made me a coffee so I can sit down and try to export all this footage onto my laptop so that when I do get a chance today, I'll be able to go ahead and edit it. But here's my coffee. Because I deserve it. I never give myself whipped cream and caramel topping. I deserve it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are new. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.